Welcome to our Tasmania adventure. Come along as we explore this beautiful island, known for its breathtaking landscapes, unique wildlife, and incredible food. From charming towns to untouched wilderness, Tasmania has something for everyone. Our journey began in Hobart, the capital of Tasmania, where we were immediately drawn to the city's vibrant food scene. We indulged in some of the best local flavors at cozy, locally loved restaurants, each dish a celebration of Tasmania's fresh and sustainable produce. We hiked through Tasmania's beautiful wilderness to reach the Hastings Caves. The trail led us through forests, flowing streams, and into the heart of nature, and the cave entrance, where we were able to explore these fascinating caves, filled with ancient rock formations and hidden stories from Tasmania's past. Afterward, we ascended the towering heights of Mount Wellington. Despite the cold and icy conditions at the summit, the sweeping panoramic views over Hobart and the shimmering Derwent River below made it an unforgettable experience. Our taste buds were treated to Tasmania's famous oysters, freshly harvested from the cold, clear waters that surround the island. With our appetite for adventure just as sated, we traveled to the Port Arthur Historic Site. Here, amidst the haunting beauty of this World Heritage Site, we delved deep into Tasmania's convict history, exploring the stories and remnants of a past that shaped this unique island. Our journey continued with a visit to a wildlife sanctuary, where we encountered the iconic kangaroos and Tasmanian devils up close. Observing these feisty creatures in their natural habitat was a rare and thrilling experience. Next, we set out on a peaceful hike to Russell Falls, one of Tasmania's most beautiful natural wonders. Surrounded by lush forest, the falls offered a serene escape into nature, with the soothing sounds of cascading water and the fresh, earthy scent of the rainforest enveloping us. After 4 nights soaking in the culture and adventure of Hobart, we hit the road to Freycinet, a journey that in itself was filled with scenic beauty. Upon arrival, we treated ourselves to an incredible seafood lunch at the Freycinet Marine Farm, famous for its fresh-from-the-sea delicacies like oysters, scallops, and abalone. The flavors were as vibrant and refreshing as the surrounding ocean views. One of the highlights of our trip was hiking to the Wineglass Bay Lookout. The trek was worth every step as we reached the top and took in the breathtaking views of the bay's perfectly curved white sand and turquoise waters. We continued down to the beach itself, and found ourselves alone in this serene paradise, surrounded by pristine nature. It was a moment of pure tranquility and awe.
Wait till you, Dave. Dave.
After soaking in the beauty of Freycinet, we embarked on a stunning coastal drive to Devonport, with breathtaking views of the ocean accompanying us along the way. We made a memorable stop at Lease 65, a local mussel factory, where we tasted some of the freshest mussels we've ever had. They were simply amazing. From there, we continued to Devonport and arrived at a charming little house that would be our home base for the next few days, perfectly positioned to explore the local region, including Cradle Mountain and the beautiful coastline. During our hike up Cradle Mountain, we were surrounded by stunning scenery, rugged peaks, alpine vegetation, and crystal clear lakes. Along the way, we had an unexpected encounter with a very friendly crow. It flew around us almost playfully, as if trying to communicate and ask for food. After some time, we decided to stop and share a few biscuits with our new feathered friend, who seemed to truly appreciate the gesture. It was a humbling experience that brought us even closer to nature. On our third day, we opted for a different adventure, a stunning coastal hike that showcased the raw beauty of Tasmania's shoreline. The trail led us along hidden beaches with crystal clear waters. The fresh coastal breeze and the ever-changing colors of the ocean provided a refreshing contrast to the alpine scenery of the day before. Just as we were wrapping up the hike, we had a startling encounter, a snake slithering across the path, which Reason nearly stepped on. It was a thrilling end to a day filled with breathtaking scenery and unexpected surprises. As our journey through Tasmania comes to an end, we are filled with awe and gratitude for the incredible experiences we've had. From the vibrant city life of Hobart to the untamed beauty of Cradle Mountain and the serene, secluded beaches of Wineglass Bay, every moment was a new adventure. The island's stunning landscapes, unique wildlife encounters, and delicious local food have left a lasting impression on us. Tasmania is a place where nature, history, and culture blend seamlessly, creating memories that stay with you long after you leave. This island truly is a hidden gem, one that invites you to explore, discover, and connect with the world in a way that feels both humbling and inspiring. For us, Tasmania wasn't just a destination, it was an unforgettable experience, and we can't wait to return. Until next time, Tasmania.